In a universe ruled by strength, where muscles matter more than manners, one Saiyan was different. On planet Vegeta, home of the proud and perpetually angry Saiyan race, lived a woman whose battle record could be described as, let's just say, work in progress. Her name was Gine. Once a member of Bardock's squad, she fought bravely alongside her people, but her attacks had about as much bite as a wet noodle. What others saw as weakness was actually her hidden strength, because she had something no other Saiyan dared to show: feelings. Yes, while the rest of her kind perfected the art of yelling until their hair changed color, Guinea discovered something new: compassion. A warmth so strong, it even melted through Bardock's stone-faced scowl, which, to be fair, was permanently glued to his face. With Gine, he found something Saiyans usually left off the training menu: love, and the terrifying responsibility of parenthood. But destiny doesn't care about romance. From the shadows came Frieza, the galaxy's tiniest, angriest lizard in a hover chair, bringing doom to planet Vegeta. As destruction loomed, Guinea and Bardock faced the ultimate decision: send their baby into space or keep him home and hope Frieza would suddenly take up knitting. They chose the stars. With shaking hands, they placed their son Kakarot in a pod, basically a space egg with Wi-Fi, and launched him toward Earth. Though Guinea's voice was silenced along with her world, her legacy lived on. That little Saiyan, Goku, would grow up not just to save the Earth, but to save his enemies too, usually after beating them up first. His laughter, kindness, and knack for eating entire buffets in one sitting, all were echoes of Guinea's spirit. In the Grand Saiyan legend, she's just a whisper, but that whisper rewrote the fate of the entire universe. Hey everyone, welcome to DCM Studios 101. Today we're featuring Gine, mother of Goku, proof that sometimes the strongest legacy comes from the softest heart. This is a custom figure made right here, and in this video, I'll show you the full tutorial and review. Stick around, because unlike Planet Vegeta, this video won't explode halfway through. This Gine custom figure is a Frankenstein masterpiece. The upper body, that's from launch. The lower body, a bootleg Android 18, because why not? The boots, just painted white. The feet, bootleg Vegeta. Basically, I built her like a dragonball salad, tossed together random ingredients, and somehow it works. The head sculpt was resin printed. I did try FDM, but the layer lines looked like she had a permanent barcode tattoo, so resin it was. Cleanup is messy, but hey, art requires sacrifice. I reshaped the upper body with green stuff putty, basically Play-Doh for adults who refuse to stop playing with toys. Thin styrene sheets handled the armor details, and the sleeves were also sculpted with green stuff, because Guinea deserves sleeves that don't look like afterthoughts. And after curing, I primed everything with Vallejo gray, then used Tamiya acrylics, Vallejo, and Model Masters for paint. Fun fact, Launch's skin tone matches Army Painter Corpse Pale perfectly. Who knew the living and the undead shop at the same paint aisle? For spots that rub during articulation, I applied a super glue shield. Think of it as Saiyan battle armor for your paint job. Finally, I sealed it with Mr. Hobby Flat Clear, because even custom figures deserve to look Instagram ready. And there it is, the custom Gine figure, sculpted, painted, and sealed with love, and probably too many fumes. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment on which figure we should make next. Bonus points if it's a character nobody remembers. Ciao for now, and remember, paint responsibly, or you'll end up priming your cat.